Make sure to stay until the end. We will talk about 2 common mistakes people make, and one of those can practically destroy your engine in seconds. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Dodge Charger. If you have one of those with a 3.6 V6 engine and you need to remove or replace ignition coils, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Actually, the ignition coil on the first cylinder head are easily accessible without removing any parts, but if you're working on all of them or the ignition coils for cylinder 2, 4 and 6, unfortunately you will need to remove the upper intake manifold. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Common mistakes people make that can actually destroy your engine. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have here, 2018 Dodge guys, this is a 3.6 V6 engine that's quite popular on Dodge Chargers. Now you can see those usually ignition coils can easily be accessible without removing the intake manifold, upper intake manifold, and this is for cylinder 1, 3 and 5. But what if you have a bad ignition coil on cylinder 2, 4 and 6? We're talking about this right here. You need to remove the upper intake manifold. If you want to see how to do that step by step guys, we don't want to waste your time now, but if you want to check it out, the complete videos on our channel. Very easy procedure once you know what to do, but if you don't, okay, it will be a chaos. So check out the video how to remove upper intake manifold on Dodge Charger. Common mistakes people make: when you remove the upper intake manifold, replace the gaskets. That's a must guys. Okay, these gaskets need to be replaced every time. And number 2, make sure you don't drop anything here, because like a tool, socket, bolt, anything, it will go directly in the valves. You will bend the valve, it may make its way in the engine. That will cause piston, engine block failure, cylinder head, and practically you will destroy your engine. So make sure you cover it good and don't drop anything. Now, how do you remove ignition coil? It's pretty simple at that point. All we have to do guys, okay, we're going to demonstrate on one coil. Okay, let's just pick that one here because it's hard to get usually any of these. You're going to grab the connector, push it in, you're going to compress the weather gasket, okay, the seal, pull that red thing to the back to release. Now don't grab for the wires, grab for the connector and disconnect them. Common mistake, people grab for the wires, you can pull them out of the connector and practically they will not communicate and you'll get a call again. 10mm socket, and we remove one bolt. Once we do that, okay, the bolt will come loose. Okay, let's see if it's going to come all the way. Okay, still unscrewing here. Right there, that's the bolt. That's the coil. Grab it firmly and pull out. It will be stuck to the spark plug, and here you'll have a seal where it will prevent water, moisture, oil to get inside and things like that. That's how we remove and replace it. If you need to buy one for a good price and quick shipping, we will guys put the link in the description of the video below. If you want to see how to test ignition coil, we'll have the video as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.